watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central Maryland, north central Maryland, and northern Maryland, including the following areas. In central Maryland, Howard. In north central Maryland, Channel. In northern Maryland, Hartford, northern Baltimore, and southern Baltimore. Until 8 p.m. this evening, more showers and thunderstorms are expected across north central Maryland, including the immediate Baltimore area this afternoon and early evening. Showers and thunderstorms will be capable of producing heavy rainfall that may cause flash flooding. In some areas, 1 inch of rainfall in 1 hour's time will be enough to cause flash flood problems. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service